Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove Face ID on any iPhone. So go ahead to the settings, right? And then scroll a little bit down to find facial recognition and passcode. Enter your passcode right here, right? But before you do that, make sure to go to the general, the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Go back, passcode, enter the passcode, excuse me. And then what you're gonna do, you gotta just go and turn off, let me turn off the low battery mode. And what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and reset facial recognition, right? Or if you want to turn it off immediately, just turn off that passcode, right? And that will basically you're gonna be able to restart, the facial recognition process. So I'm gonna enter the passcode, right? And then you're gonna be able to reset or basically turn off that passcode immediately, right? Because that comes with it. You're gonna be able to restart doing that all over again, or maybe you want to keep your phone free from passcode. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.